My name is Dr. Michael Healy and I work at the Institute for Molecular Bioscience. In dementia, we're really lacking effective treatments and cures for the disease. And a big part of that is because we don't understand the fundamental mechanisms by which these diseases develop. And so what we're trying to do is understand these fundamental mechanisms to create better treatments. My project is all about trying to understand protein toxicity in the cell and how that toxicity develops. This is important because protein toxicity is the key underlying factor in the development of dementia. In order to treat Alzheimer's disease, we really need to understand how the disease develops. And at the moment, there really is a lack of information about how the disease develops and the mechanisms that underlie the development of it. We're trying to use really new techniques which allow us to look directly into the cell, but at an atomic resolution. The Dementia Australia Research Foundation has facilitated the purchasing of equipment that we otherwise wouldn't be able to afford. Fundamentally, the process we're trying to understand is how protein levels are regulated in the cell. And this is maintained by a system called the membrane tracking system. Now, whilst this might sound complicated in the first instance, you can think about this a bit like a garbage disposal. So if you imagine our cells like a bustling city, any bustling city needs an effective garbage disposal system. When this system fails, it results in the accumulation of garbage, which can be detrimental to the health of the city. Likewise, our cells need a system by which they can remove toxic proteins like amyloid beta and phosphorylated tau. And so the machinery that we are trying to understand in our project is responsible for moving these proteins around, just like a garbage disposal system. If successful, in the long term, this project hopefully will lead to better treatment and better outcomes for dementia patients. I'm really thankful to the Dementia Australia Research Foundation. As someone just starting their research career, it can be really hard to attract funding, but this funding has allowed me to pursue my own ideas and has set me on a path to continue my investigations of dementia.